Greetings and welcome to the NewsRamp Science Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, delighted to have you with us as we explore today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we curate business news from the best newswires, bringing you the most relevant updates. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. While AI assists in producing this podcast and generating the voices, the news stories are all real. You can read the full articles on newsramp.com. Today is Monday evening, July 28, 2025, and we have a great mix of science headlines lined up for you. So whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, stay with us as we get started. Here's our first headline.
GeoVax reports second quarter 2025 financial results and provides business update. GeoVax Labs Inc. reported favorable European regulatory guidance for GEO-MVA, showcasing streamlined development. Additionally, GEO-CM04S1 displayed robust immune responses in CLL patients at EHA 2025. Gedeptin demonstrated strong safety and efficacy for solid tumors at AAC 2025. The company's financial results for the second quarter ended June 30, 2025, showed a net loss of $5,369,783. Revenue from government contracts totaled $852,282. R&D expenses were $4,728,998, and G&A expenses were $1,542,190. GeoVax's cash balance at June 30, 2025 was $3,093,862. The company also issued patents for novel vaccine constructs and Gedeptin therapy. Dr. Senthil Ranganathan was appointed Vice President, Technical Development and CMC Operations. A conference call will be held today at 4:30 p.m. ET to discuss financial results and corporate updates.
Clene Inc. CLNN offers investors a compelling entry into the growing ALS market with key FDA milestones for lead drug candidate. Clene Inc., listed on NASDAQ as CLNN, is making significant strides in the ALS market with its lead drug candidate CNM-08. The company is aiming for potential FDA-accelerated approval in 2026, in a market projected to reach $1.3 billion by 2034. Clene's focus on mitochondrial dysfunction in neurodegenerative diseases sets it apart, with key FDA meetings in 2025 expected to boost investor confidence. Biomarker and survival data from 150-plus patients are crucial for regulatory approval, with NFL data anticipated in Q4 2025. Clene plans to kick off a Phase 3 ALS trial in early 2026 and has a late-stage MS program in the works. Investors seeking exposure to innovative biopharma solutions for underserved markets should keep an eye on Clene NASDAQ CLNN, a company dedicated to improving mitochondrial health and neuronal function in diseases like ALS and MS.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Science Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.